Hey YouTube! So, starting with a few quick shots of an older HVAC system we recently replaced for a homeowner in Elmhurst. As you can see, it was definitely time for the old furnace to go. The existing ductwork was also in poor condition, so rather than simply just replacing the equipment, we redesigned the duct system as part of the project. Once everything was removed, we cleaned the mechanical area and started fresh. Here's the completed installation: a new high-efficiency 2-stage furnace, new air conditioning system, and entirely new ductwork. We installed the furnace on a properly sized return air box to improve airflow through the system. This is the zone control panel, which operates the dampers for each area of the home. The bedrooms and main living area are now on separate ductwork, thermostats, and temperature control. This will make a huge difference in keeping both areas comfortable throughout the year. We also installed a new Honeywell media filter cabinet, along with an AprilAire 620 whole house humidifier, designed to provide efficient humidity control while reducing water usage. This was much more than an equipment replacement. It was a complete redesign built around the comfort of the homeowners. Have any questions about your HVAC system? Reach out to Unlimited Heating and Cooling Incorporated today.